Hello students, I Jai Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to start second chapter of computer, that is Introduction to Microsoft Access 2010. In this video, I will explain you what is data, what is information, database concept, DBMS, advantages of DBMS, database objects, how to start Microsoft Access, table concepts. First of all, I will explain you what is data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts, or instructions in a formalized manner, which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by human or electronic machine. Data is represented with the help of characters such as alphabets A to Z, digits 0 to 9, or special characters plus, minus, divide, multiplication, less than, greater than, equal to, etc. What is information? Information is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is the processed data on which decisions and actions are based. In other words, you can say systematic and meaningful form of data is called information. What is database? A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Computer databases typically contain aggregations of data, records, or files. For example, a company database may include tables for products, employees, and financial records. Each of these tables would have different fields that are relevant to the information stored in a table. What is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. A database management system is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. A DBMS generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field names, record structure, and file structure. It also defines rules to validate and manipulate this data. Examples of DBMS. Some of the common used DBMS are Oracle, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, MS Access, and Informix. Some of the desktop-based DBMS are Microsoft FoxPro, Borland DBase, and Microsoft Access. Advantages of DBMS. First advantage of DBMS is controlling data redundancy. Data is recorded in only one place in the database and it is not duplicated. Data consistency. Data item appears only once and the updated value is immediately available to the all users. Control over concurrency. In a computer, file-based system in updating, one may override the value recorded by the other. Backup and recovery procedures. Database management system automatically create the backup of data and restore data if required. Data independence. Separation of data structure of database from application program that uses the data is called data independence. Improved data sharing. An advantage of database management approach is the DBMS helps to create an environment in which end users have better access to more and better managed data. Such access makes it possible for end users to respond quickly to changes in their environment. Improved data security. Data security is a vital concept in database. Only authorized users should be allowed to access the database and their identity should be authenticated using a username and password. Unauthorized users should not be allowed to access the database under any circumstances. Database objects. Databases in Access are composed of four objects: tables, queries, forms, and reports. Together, these objects allow you to enter, store, analyze, and compile your data however you want. In this diagram, you can see four objects of database: table, form, query, and report. In this chapter, we will learn about table object. Now I will explain you how to start Microsoft Office Access 2010. First of all, click on Start button, then select All Program option, then click on Microsoft Office package, then select one option, that is Microsoft Office Access 2010. Now MS Office Access 2010 will start and you are able to work on it. Now I will explain you the concept of table object. Tables are the key objects in the Access file as they contain the data that is stored in the database. Tables are made up of rows and columns and allow for the direct entry into their grids. The row is also called record that contain the individual data, pieces making up an individual record. The column is also called field, consists of categorized information. For example, the fields are columns consisting of categorized information such as telephone numbers. The row is the record where the phone number is entered. Data is sortable and can be filtered. In this table you can see last name, first name, phone number are the field's name. Employees is the table name. Rows are also called record. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of data, information, database, DBMS and table. In next video, I will explain you how to create table and concept of primary key. Thank you.